Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Maxx momentum indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Maxx momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Z-score probability mixed or coupled with the Academy of Forex indicator. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now, the video thumbnail. I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail, so that way you can just click on that, go straight to that video, and check out the best strategy that we've tested. We've also tested a total of 935 indicators, with 388 of them being winners. The best one so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the crypto and Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Maxx momentum indicator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so in the original testing, this did 4 trades within the 1 year's time, and all of them were winning trades. And so this was one of the 100% winning indicators. And so of course, we know that no indicator is going to maintain the 100% win rate. At some point, it is going to eventually take a losing trade. And so we of course tested this in the advanced testing over the 50 trades like we normally do. Now in the original testing, we were looking for these circles to appear, indicating that there is a squeeze in the price action. And so this is very similar to the squeeze momentum indicator. There's a few other indicators that are like this. And so down the center line right here, the 0 line, we get the circles that will appear. And so what we were looking for in the original testing was the circles to appear, and then once they stop, that indicates that there is a breakout in momentum. And then we would look for this little line right here to indicate whether or not we were going to go short or we were going to go long. And so you can see there's a red little line right here. So not the oscillating line here that's creating the histogram, but we're actually looking for these little kind of tails that appear as the momentum dots or the consolidation dots start to appear. And then again, we're looking for that breakout. Once the dots disappear, then we look for that line. A green line means we were going to go long, and a red line means we went short. And so you can see that right here. We get a red line, get those dots, then they stop, and then a red line there is a signal to go short. we then see the dots reappear right here, and they stop, and there is a green line here that is a signal to go long. And so we did bump this down to the 4-hour time frame because it only did the 4 trades within the 1 year's time. So we did adjust the stop and take profit according to the lower time frame. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve in that advanced test. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers here. So like I said, we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades, and we got 29 losing trades. So that's going to put us at a 42% win rate. And so a pretty significant drop from that 100% that we originally had. And so that just goes to show that even though we do have those indicators that are marked as a 100% winner, often they are very low number of trades, and we're just kind of trying to see how they function within the year of testing that we initially do. And then the advanced testing really puts them to the test to see what they're able to achieve, and then putting them on a lower time frame also gives a whole new level of kind of scrutiny to see how well they'll do on a lower time frame as well. And so in this particular case, we had a pretty significant drop in that win rate, drops us well below that 60%. So this one is now going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.